Yeah, look at this. Keep putting in those turns, yeah. So you shifted a little bit when it was the board was flat. Amazing. Okay.
The powder was so good. It felt like I was sliding on heaven.
Today was 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
It was great. Lots of powder. It was very nice.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed it? What do you think, Valeria?
It was very nice. I enjoyed it.
Should we do more of this?
Yes.
How was it today? It was great. Yeah? Good snow. Who's faster, you or Rem?
Me.
Is that right?
Yeah. No.
I think you.
I'm faster.
I'm pretty sure I saw you actually make it down to the bottom before Rem.
Yeah,
I was
Rem.
wondering if you guys were racing or not.
Yeah, I feel really hot today. I feel really hot today.
We're hearing some excuses from Rem. I don't know what this is. How was it?
I liked it more than skiing.
How was it today? Was it good? Yeah, you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
So we shouldn't do this again, right?
What do you
We should never do these things, right? They're
What-
kind of a waste of time that goes like skiing and stuff.
No, it was fun.
I'm joking, right? Yeah.
Great.
Great.
I had a lot of fun on the black trails, so
Yeah, you went on the black trails.
yeah, 3 times.
3
so.
times? Yeah.
The worst part is in the middle of the run.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
a little cave in.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I like fell on the first time I went and I just tripped and fell and it just started spiraling.
Did you get better after that?
Yeah, it was all really good at the end of the run. So
Good, yeah.
I had a good time.
Yeah, how many days should we do it a year? Yeah.
Honestly, we should just have a whole week of just doing
A whole week of this.
Yeah,
That's what I
just
like to
preserve
hear.
a week. And
A
just
whole
go.
week, right? Why is it so important to spend so much time here, like skiing and snowboarding?
It builds social relationships.
Yeah.
It makes you stronger. I mean, it's healthy to go skiing all the time, and also it just enlightens your mood. Because right now, after I went skiing, I'm like feeling all energized now, and I feel like really excited and getting good goosebumps.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.